Hello, I'm Garyraze of Remax Integrity here in Eugene, Oregon, serving Lane County. Hey, today's topic is setting your goals for purchasing a home. And what do you need to do to help try to find that down payment? And now back to our topic. What in the world can I do to get a down payment saved up? Well, I've got a few little suggestions here that may help you realign about all your goals. Obviously, your goal, if you're wishing to purchase a home, you're always concerned about the down payment. So what I'm here to talk to you about is some quick, easy ways to maybe think about how you can realign your savings program. First of all, there's some little nitpicky things. Set your goal as far as how much you want to try to purchase. Go to your lender, find out what a down payment for a particular price tag would be. Once you know how much you're going to need for the down payment, then you need to think about, well, how are we going to come up with those kinds of funds? So some quick, easy ways that will get you some funds within 6 months certainly is assessing your spending habits. So I know you hate to do this, but write down how you spend every week, and then you can start looking at it and realizing, hey, we really didn't need that Starbucks coffee. Speaking of Starbucks, I know a lot of you like Starbucks coffee. I particularly go to McDonald's myself. It's only $1. But the Starbucks coffee, most people are spending at least $5 a day per person on Starbucks coffee. If you think about that particular issue alone, you can save a couple of $1,000s in a year not going to Starbucks and having your own coffee at home or stopping at McDonald's for your $1 coffee. Either way, you can save a significant amount of funds there. A couple $1,000s goes a long way. Another thing that you might think about is shrinking your TV package. Do you really need that big a package to see all those programs that you can only watch one at a time? So look at that scenario and just see if you can trim some things there. Many of you have gym memberships. I know I've had a gym membership. It's interesting because I had a gym membership for 3 years and I never lost a single pound. Apparently, you actually have to go inside the building to reduce weight. So a lot of you get into membership, you pay your monthly dues, and you never step inside. Cancel that membership and figure out a better way of doing things. Another thing is to unload all of your extra things that you have in your house that you really haven't used for years. Get them on Craigslist, sell those things. Let's raise some money. Even in the garage, you'll find lots of things that can bring in a couple $1,000s easily, in a hurry, I might add. Another thing that you might think about is switching your credit cards to where you get points on your cards so that you can help in purchase items that you want through your credit card point system as opposed to just doing it with your cash. Obviously, the last one, it's always a good one, is your tax return. It's always nice to see a couple of $1,000s coming back to you at the end of the year. It's also easy to spend that couple of $1,000s. But those are just quick and easy ways to assess really $5,000 to $10,000 in a hurry if you unload stuff that you haven't used, assess your spending habits, and obviously learn about better ways of adjusting your budget. Okay, these are all things you already knew, but sometimes we all need to be reminded. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.